Okay, welcome back to KITT Raceway. This is day 2 of the H-Case race 2020. And here's our current lineup that's going to be competing today for the finals to see who is the fastest H-Case car, including one D-Case car. It was a fun first day of recording, and today ought to be very interesting to see who's going to be the overall winner. First up, you guys, is the Dodge Dart and the Jaguar XJ220. Should be a good one. Okay, I just got word from the official. The starting gate's ready. Let's get them up there. Okay, first up is the XJ220 in lane 1 and the Dodge Dart in lane 2. Go! Oh, tight race. Oh, the XJ220 is going to take the first win.
Winner! Lane 1!
All right, we're going to switch lanes. Dodge Dart in lane 1, XJ220 in lane 2. Go! XJ with the lead, and he will win. All right, he's moving on. First car to move on to the semifinals. Okay, next two up. All right, next up is the Power Rocket in lane 1 and the Audi Sport in lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. The Audi has them so far. Oh, very nice. Audi with the first win. All right, here we go. Audi lane 1 with the advantage. Power Rocket lane 2 needs to win to stay alive. Go. Audi's looking good. Oh, it's a landslide. All right, he's moving on. Taking on the Ninja Turtle Party Wagon. All right, let's see who's gonna win. Go. Neck and neck, Corvette's in the lead. Corvette's gonna take it. Nice win, nice race. Neck and neck, Corvette's in the lead. Corvette's gonna take it. All right, Party Wagon goes in lane 1. We're gonna switch them. And the Corvette's in lane 2. Can the Corvette wrap this up and move on? Let's find out. Go. Corvette's taking the lead. Around the corner, and he's going to win. He's moving on. All right. Next up, Corvette ZR1, beautiful car, against the Chevy Nova wagon. Orange on orange. Let's see who wins. Go! Oh boy, tight race. Oh, we have a wreck. And the Corvette takes the first win. Chevy Nova wagon in lane 1, and the Corvette ZR1 convertible, lane 2. Go! Nova with the lead, but the Corvette is going to win and move on. All right. Nova with the lead, but the Corvette is going to win. Here's the next race. This Nerve Hammer's tough. Put the Thresher in lane 1, and we're going to put the Nerve Hammer, my favorite car, in lane 2. This ought to be good. On your mark, get set, go. Nerve Hammer with the lead. Wow, look at him. Take that turn. Amazing.
Winner!
Next,
Lane 2!
switch lanes. Lane 1, Thresher lane 2. Good race right here. Advantage Nerve Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Tight race. Nerve Hammer's gonna pull it out. Race. Great race. Next up is the Porsche and the Bone Shaker. Should be a good race. Bone Shaker lane 1. Super awesome Porsche in lane 2. Should be good. Go! Oh, good race. And the Porsche is going to barely squeak it out. All right, Porsche is going in lane 1 with the advantage. Bone Shaker lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Porsche with the slight lead. Bone Shaker catching them. And the Porsche is going to win. And the Porsche is going to move on to face the Nerve Hammer. All right, there's our group so far. Next race. Next up is the Porsche Panamera against the Nissan GTR. Porsche in lane 1. GTR in lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Good race coming down the downhill. GTR with the advantage, and he's gonna win. Nice race. All right, we're switching lanes. GTR in lane 1. Porsche Panamera in lane 2. Advantage, GTR. On your mark, get set, go. Good race, Panamera. Looks like he's going to lose. Panamera. Looks like he's going to lose. Great race, yes. The GTR is moving on. All right, let's see who he's going to face with this next race. All right, next race is the Circle Tracker. I know, it's a D-case car. It's an H-case race, but I just wanted to include him because he looks really cool. And the Sky Dome. Selection, we got Circle Tracker lane 1, Sky Dome lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that Circle Tracker's quick. And he's gonna pull it out. First win of the Circle Tracker. Circle Tracker lane 2. Advantage Circle Tracker. 3, 2, 1, go. Circle Tracker with a nice lead. Easy win, easy win. He's moving on to face the GTR. All right, here's the final race of this second heat. The Robocar against the Chevy Nova. All right, Chevy Nova lane 1. Robocar lane 2. On your mark, get set, go. Nova with the slight lead. Robocar pulling away. And he's gonna win. Alrighty. Nova's gonna switch lanes and go in lane 2. And the one with the advantage, the Robocar, will be in lane 1. On your mark, get set, go. Nova with the slight lead. Oh, the Robocar. Kind of a slow action there, but he wins. He's moving on. Well, unfortunately, I miscounted. So what we're going to do is we're going to have him race the winner of these two, just to keep this a nice even race. Okay, we got the XJ220 in lane 1 and the Audi in lane 2. This should be good. On your mark, get set, go. Audi with the slight advantage. And the Audi's going to be the first winner. All right, the Audi's going to be in the advantage in lane 1 and the XJ220 in lane 2. Let's see if he can win over the XJ. On your mark, get set, go. XJ with a slight lead. Oh, the Audi wins. He knocked him off. I cannot believe it. XJ with a slight lead. Wow! Knocked off the XJ. Okay, he gets to take on the Robocar to keep this even. Okay. We got the Robocar for my miscount. Gonna go ahead and race the Audi. I don't think this is gonna be too much of a race. We'll find out. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Audi's looking good. And he wins by a landslide. Switching lanes. All right. Robocar lane 2. Audi with the advantage in lane 1. On your mark, get set, go. That Audi's quick. Has a slight advantage. And he's going to pull it out. Nice job. He's moving on to the semifinals. Okay, next race. Corvette lane 1. And the Corvette ZR1 lane 2 should be good. Go. Tight race. Slight advantage to the blue Corvette. Woo. Nice. Let's switch them. All right. We're going to put the ZR1, sweet looking car, in lane 1. And we're going to put the blue Corvette with the advantage in lane 2. Let's see if he can move on and face. Get set, go. Tight race again. Oh, he's got him. He looks good. That blue Corvette's quick. Okay. Facing the Audi. Next up, Nerve Hammer and Porsche. Then the Circle Tracker and the GTR. All right. The Nerve Hammer. Tough car against this Porsche, who's been pretty quick himself. Good looking Porsche, too. Just good looking cars. On your mark, get set, go. Nerve Hammer with a nice lead. Oh, he's quick. Wow.
Winner.
All right, let's switch them.
Lane 1.
Okay, Porsche in lane 1. And the Nerve Hammer lane 2, who has the advantage. Let's see if the Porsche can pull out a win to stay alive. On your mark, get set, go. Nerve Hammer pulling away. Wow, that guy is quick. Good try, Porsche.
Lane 2.
Woo, he's quick. All right, we got the GTR lane 1. Circle Tracker lane 2. All right, you guys. In 3, 2, 1, go. Tight race, Circle Tracker with the lead. Oh, he's quick. He's quick. That was a good race, though. Let's switch them. Circle Tracker lane 1, who has the advantage. GTR lane 2, who's pretty quick. On your mark, get set, go. Circle Tracker with a nice lead. He's gonna win. Circle Tracker with a nice lead. And he's gonna move on and face the Nerve Hammer. He's got quite a challenge. Here it is, Final 4. Good looking group of cars. Some new ones in there too that I'm kind of excited about. That Audi, the Circle Tracker, and the Nerve Hammer, of course. Let's see if this Corvette can upset them all. All right, Final 4, March Madness. Here we go. We got the blue Corvette against the Audi. Should be a good race. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, the Audi jumps out in the lead. Oh, Corvette takes him. Woo, that Corvette is quick. All right, let's switch them. All right, Audi in lane 1 and the blue Corvette with the advantage in lane 2. Let's see if he can move on to the finals. Okay, blue Corvette with the advantage. Can he move on to the finals? On your mark, get set, go. He's looking good, he's got the lead. And he's gonna move on to the finals. See who he's gonna face. This will be a good race. All right, here we go. This will be good to get into the championship. On your mark, get set, go. Ooh, that's tight. Nerve Hammer with the lead. Oh, not even close. Man, let's switch them. Lane 1, Nerve Hammer. Lane 2, Circle Tracker. Advantage, Nerve Hammer. Let's see. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's quick. He's awesome. All right, he's moving on. Okay, everybody, here is the championship race. It's going to be a good one. Gonna be a good one. Let's get him to the starting gate. He's headed home. Pretty disappointing. Okay, here is the championship of the H-Case 2020. Ought to be great. Here we go. Lane 2, the blue Corvette, and lane 1, the very, very fast Nerve Hammer. Let's see who's going to win. Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he pulls it out. First win to the Nerve Hammer. No surprises there. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's getting a quick tune-up. No cheating, guys. The Nerve Hammer with the advantage in lane 2 and the Corvette in lane 1. Is this it? Can the Corvette pull out one win? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go. For the championship. Woo, that Nerve Hammer is quick, not even close. All right.
Lane 2.
There it is. The H-Case champion. That is awesome. Here, let's get him on display. Okay. Hey, he looks pretty good up on top of that H-Case. He is an impressive car. I'd recommend you guys go out and buy him. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. It was a lot of fun to build this track and tweak it. I would like to thank my daughters for their help, and I'd like to thank all you guys for supporting me and watching this stuff. And a J-Case unboxing's coming up real soon. Until the next race, take care, everybody.